up, Keto Kings and Queens? Today we're making crispy fathead pizza. Let's go. First, we're going to start with 1 3/4 cups of mozzarella mixed with 3/4 cups of almond flour. Add in whatever seasonings you like. Here's mine. Crushed red pepper, Italian seasoning, salt, garlic. Mix that all together. It's going to smell delicious. Then you want to microwave on high for 1 minute increments until everything's melted together smoothly. 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Mix it together. When it's cool enough to touch, you want to add in that egg. I split mine into 2 because it was just too much. Poke those holes. Oven for 410 minutes. If that's good for you, flip it over. I added 5 more. Crispy. Flip it over. Add those toppings. Fresh veggies from my garden. Comment below for more.